Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a toasted baguette, so let's get started. To draw this cute baguette, let's first start by drawing a big curve at the top. So I'm going to come right here. I'm just going to start with a big curve across. So it all depends on how wide you want to make your baguette. So I'm going to come about right here. I'm going to make mine a little bit wider so it's just a little bit cuter. So I'm going to come right here and round it off. Come straight down. So same thing over here. Come straight down. And now that I'm about the same level, I'm going to go ahead and connect with a curve. So this curve is going to be where his necktie is, his handkerchief necktie is. So then now we have this big curve in. Let's come right here. I'm going to pop out this necktie that he has. So it's just a little bit rounder right here. And just to make it easier to draw, I'm just going to come right here and draw the ends right here, the tail. So just kind of like two leaves. If you like, you can add a center knot as well. That'll just make it a little bit easier. Now, two little curves inside, and let's go ahead and connect this right back in. Same thing right here. There. So then now that we have that, let's bring this baguette down. So about right here, it's going to continue. And once again, it's all up to you how long you want to make your baguette. I can't make mine too long because I really don't have that much space, or else everything's going to be way too small. So I'll say about right there. I'll go ahead and bring it in. And so same thing right here, and then about right here, go ahead and round it off and connect at the bottom with a curve. There, I have my wobbly baguette that's slightly tilted. Okay, so then now that I have that, since I'm down here, I'm going to go ahead and right at the bottom right here, draw two curves for some silly feet. There. And then let's come back to the top and give our baguette a chef's hat. So right here, and say about right here, I'm just going to draw two angle lines, and I'm going to go up with a curve towards the top and bring it right back down. There. And then for some details, you can come back in here and just draw some curves and connect. You can add some of these curves right here to make it poofy for the hat. Then from there, let's come about right here in this area. We're going to draw three ovals. So let me see. It's okay, I'll do it this way. Basically going to draw three of these ovals as slant. One, two. So definitely turn your paper if you need to. And three. There. Now I have my markings on my baguette. And let's see here. Let's bring this baguette to life, of course. So let's come to about this area right here. I'm going to draw a circle for the eyes. And same thing on the other side, about right here. And now that I have that in, let's come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So this baguette plush was totally inspired. Well, actually I just said it wrong. This toasted baguette was inspired by a baguette plush that I saw on Amazon when I was searching for gifts. It was just the cutest thing ever, so I really wanted to draw it for you. So up here, draw a little curve, and of course a sweet smile right in the center for a smile right there. And let's draw the hands. I almost forgot. So right here, I'm just going to add some silly hands, just a curve and a curve as well on this side, just to simplify it. And that is pretty much it, except I'm going to put a heart somewhere, right? So let's put it over here on the side. So that's pretty much it for this cute little baguette, and I really hope I inspired you to draw it too, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.